Hi guys, what's up? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new, hi, this is Anshu. I create content around beauty. So if you are interested in such videos, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families. Now without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we have all this basket full of my base makeup. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick top 5 from every category and I'm going to do a part like first I'm going to do concealer, foundation and powder. So I'm going to make different videos, like I'm going to recommend top 5 from my collection. And I think this lipstick is kind of washing me out, so let me just apply my lip liner and I'll be back. Okay, so the number 5th one is this Blue Heaven Flawless Liquid Concealer. This is 12 hour up to stay, full coverage, super blendable, and this is mine in the shade Honey. First of all, this comes with this doe foot applicator, which I really like. I like such doe foot applicators, and this is the shade Honey. It's such a beautiful, skin tone match. It's a perfect match, and this has yellow undertone. I do like it. This comes first of all with 17 ml of products, which is almost double like you normally get in concealer. So there is a lot of bang for your buck with this one, and I will highly recommend this for your everyday no makeup sort of look. This is not full coverage. This has decent amount of coverage. I don't have dark circles, so I cannot comment on dark circles, but for spot concealing and to cover like little bit of dark circles that I have, the pigmentation around my mouth, this is such a good, and I will use it like alone kind of a thing, like when I'm just in a rush or I want to achieve that no makeup look, and I will just use this, and then I will use this as my base. And I have done a full face of Blue Heaven products where I just use this because they don't have the best foundations in the range or in the India, I guess. So I highly recommend this, and this one is just 160 rupees, but I got it for like 80 rupees. All right, like the Purple was having their flat 50% off, so I got such a huge deal on Blue Heaven products. They are so inexpensive, but I got them flat 50% off, which is such an amazing discount. And so yeah, I highly recommend you to check out that concealer. So the next one is this Insight concealer. Now this comes with like individual pan. You can buy the skin tone concealer as well, that come for 100 rupees. This is 190 rupees. I will recommend this over that. I will try that also, but people are giving great reviews about this. But here you get so much. You get a peach corrector, orange corrector. Let me just show you a highlighting concealer. This is perfect for my skin. This is a contour, this is a bronzer, and this is a again a peach sort of shade. So I can mix these two and create my peach corrector, because orange is like too much, because I am from a fair medium category. So I can just mix these two as my color corrector, and that will be like enough color corrector for me. I don't have that much dark circle. I can cover my acne spots and like little bit of pigmentation that I had around mouth. I don't need color correctors, but if you need everything in a palette, this is such a good formula. Really creamy, good coverage, highly blendable. If you have dry skin, you can try this. I have swatched this and created a shot. Let me just swatch a shade, and this is such a good deal, yeah. In 200 rupees, like in 190 rupees, you are getting so much product. It is such a good concealer. I will highly recommend that. So the next is like my first ever concealer purchase. Yeah, this was my first ever concealer purchase, and Wet n Wild on Flipkart is always flat 50% off. So if you want a good bargain on them, go check this one out. This is 500 I guess, or 400, I will definitely mention, but I got it for 250, so I'm guessing it is 400. And this is the only concealer that I have backup of, because this is such a skin tone match. First of all, again, this has medium sort of a coverage, you can build this up, but I again love this for my no makeup because it just blends into my skin, you guys, and you can not even tell that I'm wearing a makeup or not, because this is such a perfect skin tone match for me. Really good. This is the shade medium tawny. So if you want if you are NC35, you can check this shade. Perfect skin tone match for me, and I love this for, you know, the no makeup days where I can just spot conceal and go out the door. I love this so much. This one is your typical full coverage concealer. So good, you guys. If you want coverage, and you can see this is a new purchase, and you can see I am already this much, you know, is left. And I like the packaging because you can see your progress. Like if you are a project planner, you will love this because you can see your progress also. With this one, I'm using it since eternity. Like where is the progress, I cannot tell, but this one is so good for that also. My shade is 04, a perfect skin tone match for me. Let me just show you. This has this doe foot applicator again, and this looks not little light, but this is perfect skin tone match once I blend this out. And so creamy, you guys. This one is so creamy, and now it's like maybe a little bit highlighting, but I think this, when I blend this out, it's like perfect skin tone match for me. And this is so good, so creamy. So if you have dry skin like me, you will love it. And now I'm scared like how much this will last. I don't know quantity wise, like how much is this. I will definitely check, but it's like 200 rupees you can go out and purchase. And Swiss Beauty also have good deals, so you can grab them at a much affordable price. So even without, you know, any discount, I think it just worth the money. They can even charge more, but thank God they don't. Okay, so I really love it. So the last one and the first, I mean, I'm ranking it from my least favorite to favorite. So this is the top favorite of my Pack Take Cover Concealer. So this is the shade Birthday Suit. First of all, this is like the perfect skin tone match. Again, a doe foot applicator. The thing I like is exclusivity. Otherwise, I could have ranked the Swiss Beauty on the top position. But exclusivity wise, guys, I will give back the full numbers. Like they have so many shades. If you have deeper complexion also, you can find the shade. Like I am fair medium, I can get my shade even in Lakme. I'm not kidding you guys. But what about my friends who have a deeper complexion? For them? So that's why I want to give an exclusive brand like the top position. This is such a skin tone match again. But I will not recommend, I will not wear this for my no makeup look, because this is like good coverage. If you want coverage also, like this is also good coverage. This one retails for 500, so maybe the most expensive one I'm showing you, but I got 100 rupees off from Purple. So if you want to buy this, I will recommend go check Purple if they have any deal. Otherwise, Pack products are never on discount because they are so high quality. You know, every makeup artist also love Pack, and I can see why they love it. And I will highly recommend you Pack Take Coverage one. Or even the Spotlight I don't have, but all my friends really like it. So if you want like full coverage, go for the Spotlight one. But if you want medium buildable coverage, you can go for the Take Cover concealer. Now I want to conclude this video by saying I don't have dark circles, so I cannot comment if they are good for hiding your dark circles. Sorry you guys. I will recommend Niharika to go check her out if you want to see a person who really has dark circle, that is Niharika. She, I think, have biological dark circles. So if you want like a genuine review about the dark circle hiding part, I will recommend Niharika. But if you have a little bit of dark circle, little bit of acne and pigmentation around mouth, and my review will be helpful for you guys. And I don't have like a flawless skin, but I don't have that much problematic pigmentations, touch wood, thank God. So yeah, I just want to give you the heads up. I don't want to mislead you guys, and I don't want to say that, oh, this will hide your dark circle, where are my dark circles. So yeah, I just want to give you that heads up. Now that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you do not forget to subscribe, like this video, share my videos with your friends and families, and I shall see you in my next one. Bye.